I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your billing information on Current, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your billing settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, look for the Settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the home screen. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Billing or Payment Information. This is where you can view and edit your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Here, you can add or edit your billing information, such as credit card details or billing address. Make sure to double check for any typos before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Updating your billing information can be quick and easy if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Current's customer support for help.